OPPO ONEPLUS.
This smartphone can record all the way to 4K 60 frames per second from the front-facing camera. Full length of my arm is going to overexpose the sky. It will, and I'm out of the frame. Should compensate quickly. This is the same camera. It is. Look at it. It's exactly the same without autofocus. 100% same camera. But that's cool. It is wide, great for vlogging. But unfortunately, no autofocus, but that's okay, I guess. Okay, switching to the wide-angle lens. And with the wide-angle lens, how wide it is? Wide. Similar. Could be even the same. Most likely it's the same. So, walking around. Very nice. Macro. We do have macro in both of them. It looks the same to me. Yep. Let me put it on. Okay, which one? Same. It's definitely the same. Vlogging style. Same. All right. Let me switch to the main lens, which definitely is different. Because we do have 8K, or maybe I'm wrong. Well, let me test the camera on a round object. Oh, did you see it? There's a difference with focus. Okay, which one is OPPO? There it is. OPPO is struggling. You see, it's out of focus. And ONEPLUS is killing it. See the difference again? Let me just go back and. Maybe a different focal length, but if I go now, it's still struggling. I'm quite far from the subject. So ONEPLUS and the main lens is a bit better with the autofocus control. If you do the same on a real life scenario like this one. I still think ONEPLUS is killing it. Yeah, you get the focus quickly. Look. Bam. OPPO is out of focus. Definitely better autofocus control on the ONEPLUS. The vlogging style and telephoto. 3 going to 6 and 6. Similar, I guess. Let me just bend the smartphone a bit. Let's go all the way to that 4K dish. All right, now you can see the advantages of. I'm not sure which one is which. From the front, they look the same. Really? ONEPLUS is better. I thought it would be the other way around. Wait a minute. Nah. If we close a look, OPPO has the big periscope zoom. Wait, where's that dish? And in conclusion, the difference is in the periscope zoom. Do we see the difference in OPPO? There it is. That's the periscope zoom, which is huge, and periscope. What does that mean? It means that the zoom will give you a little bit more sharpness, like you just saw. The difference is tiny. So whatever you choose, link in the description, you'll be satisfied. Because I am.